students, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to install Metamask on Android. So the first step is go to the Play Store, and in this part you need to search the app of Metamask. Here in the search you need to put here Metamask, and you need to download this app. You need to pick here and install. So this can wait like a few minutes. That depends of your Wi-Fi. But when the app is download, you can do a few things. So if you want delete the app, for example, I go to the example with another app. The only thing you need to do is pick here and pick in on install, and you delete the app. And when the app is installed, here in the down part of the app, you can pick in open, and you can open the app and log in your account in your phone. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.